What's up, you guys? Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to another motivational video. Today I'm going to be decluttering and kind of tidying up my daughter's closet. Once in a while, I like to come into her room and just tidy up her closet. She actually likes to clean. She always keeps her room tidy. Her only problem is the closet. Since I was about to do laundry, I was like, let me go ahead and just declutter here and see what needs to be washed and what you have outgrown and what we need to get rid of. Of course, there were plenty of clothes that needed to be washed that were mixed with the clean clothes because my kids love doing that. My toddler daughter was also in there with me. She was trying to help out, but instead she was just making it worse. That's her trying to help me out. She just mixing up everything. So I saved you guys the long video and just cut to everything being sorted out and stuff. I swept up her closet and put up some of her abaya. These are some clothes that I'm getting rid of and some that needs to be washed. And while I was already in her room, I decided to tidy up her bed. She shares the room with her toddler sister. My baby daughter, she loves her sister, so I just let them both to sleep in the same room. She sleeps on this mattress that's on the floor. Hopefully soon I'll be able to get her an actual bed. But this is how everything turned out. Her closet looks way much better than it was, and her room is clean and tidied up. I hope that this video motivated you. If it did, please don't forget to give me a thumbs up and follow for more. Thanks for watching.